Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube and opening YouTube Studio. Once done, go to Content, then Create. Make sure you pick Upload or the Shorts camera depending on your clip. You already have your short video or plan the shot and decide the mood, energetic, mellow, or dramatic, because that guides music choice. While Studio loads, prepare a few keywords for the vibe and a 2-line description. This gets you into the workflow fast and sets intent before you search for music. Now, go into the audio library inside Studio and enter your mood or genre keywords. Once results appear, preview several tracks while playing your clip to test vibe and timing. Make sure to check license indicators and whether attribution is required, because that affects captions. You should also adjust playback speed or trim tracks to hit key visuals. Slow builds should match cuts. If Studio limits you, export a short test file and import into your editor. Finally, attach the selected track to your short, trim start and end to match action, and set music volume so dialogue or important sounds remain clear. Once mixed, export at 720 to 1080p and test playback on both phone and desktop. If levels or sync feel off, make small trims and re-export. If a copyright claim appears, swap to another audio library track, add required attribution, or replace with your original audio. One troubleshooting tip: if a track is flagged, immediately try a different licensed track before publishing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.